Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful pastel reverse stamp nail design. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, a yellowish green by Pure Ice called Peas and Quiet, lilac by Creative Play called A Lilac-y Story, pink by Salon Perfect called Good Vibes Only, and blue by Finger Paints called Blue You Bamboo. That's a lot of colors. And I'm going to use my Born Pretty Floral BPX-L002 nail plate. It has a bunch of floral designs, and I was gonna first use a black stamping polish, but I decided to do white. Just something different. I've never did it. I've never seen anybody else do it. I'm not saying I'm the originator of this, but somebody probably did it before, but I've never done it, and I thought this would be something unique and fun, perfect for spring, especially Easter time. And I just love how this came out. It's a fun design. I always try to make sure that my stamp designs have enough space for me to color in it. I see other people using, doing their own little intricate, getting little small stamp designs, and they take their time, and I go, oh, they have a lot of patience, because I don't. I just want to quickly do my designs and call it a day, because doing reverse stamping is not easy. You have to have a lot of patience, but I love the finished looks because it gives you your own unique design. So that's the fun part about it. And as you can see, I'm using a thin nail brush. You can use a nail dotter. I've seen other people use dotters, but I really don't like it. I think the brush just gives you, I don't know, I think it gives you more control. That's just my personal, feeling about it. Once I was done, I'm going to give it some time. Give it a few minutes for it to dry a little bit, and then you're going to press it really hard on your nail, that stamper, so that it sticks on your nails. And as you can see, I did the reverse. I first cleaned my nails off, and then I removed the liquid latex. And I did this because it doesn't ruin your design. And as you can see, I applied it on a nude nail polish. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And here's a finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to go to my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much.